Hello, Bladers. We all have that friend who takes really good care of their belongings, especially their car. When it comes to it, they make sure it's well maintained from the engine to the car paint. So if a name suddenly comes into your mind now as you read this, then this is for you. Looking for an incredible gift idea for our car lover friends or loved ones can really be tough, but we will help you with that. Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are some of the gift ideas for the car lover. Number 1. Dashcam. He or she will surely love this gadget, especially if he or she loves to go out of town. Encourage him or her to record memories of long drives and fun times with family and friends with Polaroid's N302 Full HD driving recorder for only 3,749 pesos and 50 cents. Number 2. New audio speakers. Make him or her love the new sound quality in his car with new audio car speakers. JBL GT762-way coaxial car audio speaker 6.5, 165mm, is available at blade.ph for only 1,999 pesos. Number 3. Mobile chargers. This always comes in handy. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it is indeed a necessity inside the car. It's always the thought that comes, right? Number 4. Wireless charger. A more advanced gadget wireless charger. This will make him or her driving easier since the phone is already mounted on the dashboard. Easy to install and use. Number 5. Parking assist system. How about a parking assist system that would help him or her park the car safely? Blade Auto Center has a parking assist system 4 sensor with screen PSD450 that has ultrasonic sensor and intelligent detector. Affordable at only 2,249 pesos and 10 cents. Number 6. Heavy-duty booster cables. Of course. Nobody wants a dead car battery. Keep him or her always ready with Blade Booster Cable 800 AMP 5.0 M heavy-duty 12/24 volt for only 2,699 pesos and 10 cents. Number 7. Car air fresheners. For a more budget-friendly gift, you may give him or her car air fresheners and maintain the freshness of scent in his car. Number 8. Car wash kit. Squeaky clean, how any car should be. Hand him or her a car wash kit that is available from Blade Auto Center for only 1,048 pesos. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.